We are learning new information about why a top prosecutor in Virginia Beach was abruptly fired this week. And there are questions if a decision by the Chief Deputy Commonwealth's Attorney, Scott Vachris, could lead to an alleged killer going free. 13 News Now investigative reporter Laura Geller joins us with what she has uncovered.
Well, sources tell me this all surrounds the murder trial of Leander Williams III. He was charged with killing another man in Virginia Beach in 2016. According to sources, a piece of advice Scott Vachris gave during that trial is endangering the prosecution's case.
The news sent shockwaves through the legal community. Lawyers trying to figure out how a well-respected career prosecutor could be abruptly fired for mishandling a criminal matter. Scott Vachris spent more than 20 years prosecuting crimes in the beach. The state bar lists him as a member in good standing. Friend and colleague Mike Goodove has known Vachris since law school.
He is very, very tough, but he's very fair. He takes it very seriously, his job very seriously, and he does a wonderful job protecting the citizens of the Commonwealth of Virginia.
Here's what sources tell us happened. The murder trial for Leander Williams III started Tuesday morning. Lawyers picked a jury and started presenting their case. Wednesday morning, one of the two prosecutors got sick and couldn't be in court. Sources say the assistant Commonwealth's attorney in the courtroom asked the judge to continue the trial, but the defense attorney objected. The prosecutor then asked for some time to talk to his superiors, but the judge said no. That's where Scott Vachris comes in. He went to the courtroom to advise the attorney. The advice? Make a motion to null pros. Ordinarily, that means dropping the case with the ability to bring it back later with new indictments. But here's the thing. Because the jury was already impaneled and hearing testimony, what's called jeopardy applies, meaning prosecutors can likely not bring back these charges against Williams.
The Constitution says you can't put a defendant in double jeopardy. So if the case starts and the prosecutor null processes the case or dismisses it, it is typically dismissed with prejudice. And that's just a term to say with prejudice against the Commonwealth.
This isn't a case where the defendant would get out of jail because of this. In this case, he is already free on bond. A hearing to figure out if there are any next steps after these charges were null prossed is scheduled for Monday. We reached out to Vachris and the defense attorney in this case, but we haven't heard back from them just yet. Laura Geller, 13 News Now.